I'm Don Kardix of Business Navigators, and on May 10th of 2013, we held the second of a series of leadership workshops for the Goodwill Industries of Ashtabula, Ohio. Here are some comments that the participants made.
I thought it was really interesting to hear everybody's different viewpoints and what they picked out of the training session, what they picked out of the book, the things that were important to everybody, because some things were a little bit different. And I thought it was really interesting to understand or get an understanding about how much this organization is already part of being servant leaders. And maybe we never thought of it that way, but now that we've had some training, we can probably expand our knowledge and work towards a more common goal.
Yeah.
Well, I think it was really cool listening to everyone's ideas, and it was really interesting that we all kind of had the same point of view. Maybe not in the same words, but we all kind of think the same way, that we believe, not to be repetitive, but that leadership is about love and listening and understanding the people working around you, and that sometimes you have to kill pride, even though it can be very hard to do.
I was excited after I read The Servant Leader, and I'm even more excited now after learning more and seeing that we all have traits of a servant leader, but I'm excited to take it back to my workplace and see what more I can do with it.
Everyone here, actually, I think that we do put a lot of what they say in the book we're already doing in our stores, in the business. I agree with everything, yeah.
Kind of echoed a little bit about what everybody else said. It's good to learn something practical that you can use, and I thought what we learned today was very practical, something we can take back and use, and like a lot of people said too, I think it's something we've already started to use. So us taking this step and learning how to interact with people, and also to watch that video you had of the Southwest Airlines, and to see that you can use it and to be successful and you can have fun. I thought that was awesome.
This program, it really it validates everything that I feel Goodwill is about. It's everything that I was told about when I got hired, that I didn't quite believe at the time, but over time you find out that yes, this is a place that helps people, this is a place that is inclusive, and through our leadership here, we are better able to serve our clients and the community at large. So we're fulfilling our mission, and you're helping us do that.
I really feel the program kind of demonstrates the love that we have in everyday life and for people that we care about, and transfers that into a work environment to hopefully empower people and help us get along as a group. So that was my sugar for today. The salt is, once again, it's going to be difficult for us as a team to let that trickle down in a true, genuine fashion, because it's still a different thought process for us.
Well, the sugar for today is that when I first encountered the book, and my comment today that I've read a lot of books about spirituality, but really no books about business, because that's not my orientation. The thing that most impressed me was one of the, and I made the note there about the ways of being for the servant leader, and the first idea, and it was demonstrated in that tape, one of the kids said that thing about being authentic. And we didn't talk about that per se here, but what my point is that I think everybody here today demonstrated that capacity of being yourself. And for me, that's very, very important, to be yourself, flaws and all. And one of the original notes I made, that it's okay to wear a mask when it may be appropriate, and when you know you are doing so. It's a problem, though, when the mask is confused with the entity wearing it. And when we take the mask off, here we are. And it was a great day.
Yeah, you made a statement a little earlier that I haven't worked in 23 years. Bull. You've done a great deal of work, and it's obvious with your presentation. To be able to present something that you know well is one thing. To present it with finesse and the ability to pick up on any given moment what someone says, expand upon it, carry it on through, give some points of what relates to it. It's a heck of a job. You've been working a long time.
Now that you've heard how the participants at our workshop felt about their success, if you know of a company or an organization that would like to have the same positive results, have them contact us. 1-800-253-4085 or email don@biznav.com, or have them wander our website and learn more about us, www.biznav.com. And thanks for your help.